So while I am at it, I'm gonna show you my spray, my paint sprayer. This is the True Coat, the Graco True Coat 360. This is actually their newest model. It is so slick. So you do not have, you can see that I have used it very well. You do not have to thin your paint with this one. You can, all you do is you just stick your paint in here, and this one is cool. This model is cool because it comes with a funnel. You just stick that guy in there and it locks in, and then it also comes with a strainer that you stick in there so that if your paint gets old or you have any old paint, then it'll strain right out and funnel it in. This also works by suction. So you just squeeze the air out of this thing, and then when you go to paint, you can spray paint upside down or whatever direction you want because it works by suction. So anyway, this is my favorite paint sprayer. I use this for smaller jobs. They do have a big one for if you're painting like huge spaces or like multiple walls or whatever, but this one this is what I use for my pantry. This is what I use for all of my smaller things.